Hello and welcome. Today I want to tell you about a program that I'm excited about. It's called RollBack. This program allows you to image your drive, and if you have an issue, go back to a previous version. Windows has something built into it similar, but this works much better. When you first start your computer, it'll actually come up and say press the home button to go into a recovery, and you can recover back to a previous version. Or you don't even need to do that. What if you just lost a file, you accidentally deleted it and didn't realize it? That's what I did. I have this file on my computer, and it's a project that I'm working on, and I accidentally deleted it, and I didn't realize I deleted it until just a little while ago, and I had deleted it a day or so ago. So what I did is I went over, and RollBack will be in your icon tray after you install it, and you can right click on it and open RollBack, and you can recover the computer. You can roll back the computer to a different time. You can recover files, or you can explore a snapshot. What I did is I recovered, and I knew the location of where this file was setting. So I clicked that, and I typed in desktop. And so I was able to choose which one of these I wanted. And I knew it was going to be somewhere around this date. I couldn't remember exactly when, but it'd be somewhere around that date. So I chose that. And it will search for anything inside that date and before, as you will see when it populates. Okay, so you can see that it populated, and by the way, you have to spell it correctly. I misspelt it. I fat fingered a letter extra in there, and I had to go back and retype it. What I'm looking for would be like 510, I believe it was. Computer build. And this is where I was losing this file. I lost this file, and I lost this file, I lost this file, and I lost the folders. So now you can recover all of these simply by copying and pasting or dragging and dropping. So what I did is I just copied this whole entire folder over to here onto my desktop. Once I was done with that, I can click that and finish, and close that out, and I've recovered my files. This program works nicely. I like it, and I think that it's going to be a very big help in the future. If you want something that works like this so that you don't have to recover the entire system because you lost a file and you just want to recover that one file, this program is what you want. It's called RollBack RX Home. Give it a try. I will put a link to it in the description. Thank you, and have a great day.